fascinating new research from the field of neuroscience links sleep more closely to all sorts of these more negative emotions that we could feel. So what's interesting is that in the field of positive psychology, which is being heavily influenced by the studies and the research that are happening in the field of neuroscience or brain science, what they've actually discovered is that we don't cleanse the toxicity, those acids that are created in the brain, and the brain consumes most of our energy throughout the day. We don't cleanse ourselves, or the cleansing process doesn't happen unless we are asleep. Most of you know that we have a circulatory system, the blood circulates, and we have another circulatory system, the lymph, and the lymph basically takes away all of our waste, right? The glymphatic system inside your brain is what takes away the waste from your brain's activities. The glymphatic system does not actually operate efficiently or effectively unless you are asleep.